If you have a rough night and you feel sluggish the next morning, this is the perfect drink. Because it wake you up and it get you ready for your day ahead. I go in a shop the other day and I look for some energy shot. And for tell you, the prices them was high. So I said to myself, say, I go get some ingredients and I go make my version of energy shot. So today's video, I'm making a homemade energy shot. And you can drink this every day for the health benefits them where you can get from it. Some of the health benefits them are like anti-inflammatory properties, digestive aids, and many more. But remember, anything we do it in a moderation. Everything we do it in a moderation. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. If this is the first time to the channel, big up yourself, enough love. Welcome to FadaGugs Channel. But as always, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefits them what them have to offer. The ginger, I put a nice piece of ginger inside it. And the ginger rich with antioxidant that neutralize free radical. It have natural anti-inflammatory properties inside it. Aid in digestion of food. The ginger helps relieve nausea and upset stomach, especially morning sickness. Boost immunity, support metabolism health, and the ginger it lower blood sugar and improve heart disease risk factor. Then we're going to put a couple pieces of turmeric inside it. And the turmeric rich with a powerful antioxidant that neutralize free radical, natural anti-inflammatory properties inside it. It stimulates the body's natural detoxifying process. It aid in digestion, improve blood circulation and blood clotting, and it also help reverse the heart disease process. I got 2 nice sized lemon inside it, and the lemon it help to prevent the build-up of plaque. It have antioxidant property that proven to reduce inflammation. It help to lower blood pressure, help to prevent kidney stone, and the lemon it can improve with digestion. Then we're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper inside it. So basically the black pepper have help your body to absorb the turmeric more efficiently. So if you like the information we're getting so far from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you will never miss another video from FadaGugs. So now let's start the process of making that nice natural energy shot. First thing what you want to do, make sure your hands clean. Make sure you wash your ingredients them. Always wash your ingredients them before you start to wash off all of the germs and whatever lurks on it. So what I'm going to do now, I will get my squeezer. I'm going to squeeze out the juice out of the lemon. That's the first thing we're going to do. Just cut the lemon and we're going to just squeeze out the juice. Because we're going to use the juice of the lemon. We're not going to blend the lemon. We're going to throw the juice after we finish. That's it. So now I'm going to just pour it in a glass. And just put it out, out the way. So that's just rest that to the side. So now I'm going to get my blender, the ginger, the turmeric. I'm going to just cut them up. That's some little smaller piece. And basically, just cut up the ingredients and drop them in the blender. You can peel the ginger if you want, or you can just leave it as it is. Trust me, this juice very effective. Just like that. Then just throw it in the blender. Just like that. Then we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. like that. And then we are going to put about 2 cups of water. Yeah, we just want a little bit of water just to kind of cover the ingredients them within there. So in this we have 2 cups of water. Yeah, so put the 2 cups of water, and then I will put on the top, and that's it, ready to start the process. So here we have it now, people, all ready to start the process of blending. So we just blend it really until it's smooth, then that's it. So here we have it, people, all finished. So we need to just strain it off. So I've got a container, back it up a little. So I've got a container here. Need to just, oh yeah, that's nice. Need to just, that's nice, man. You can use a strainer, you can use a straining cloth, and just squeeze them till I'm done. Squeeze out the goodness outside. Yeah, that's nice. And then with this is the lemon juice that we did earlier. Just throw the lemon juice inside it. Then use a wooden spoon. Just give it a nice mix. And that's it. Just like that, you have a nice, healthy energy shot. I just need to put it in a glass so you can have a proper look. Just get a nice glass. So here you have it, people. This is the final product. Homemade energy shot. That's nice. Just put a couple piece of ginger beside it. The turmeric. The lemon. Just cut the turmeric so you can see the bright red color. So here you have it, people. This is the final product. Homemade energy shot. Don't forget all the health benefits them we are going to get from this shot. Like digestion, immunity, antioxidant properties and all sort of things. You see how FadaGugs normally drink this? FadaGugs normally drink a little shot glass in the morning. Just like that. But if for some reason you can't deal with the spice or the turmeric and the ginger, you can have a glass of water before or after. But remember, FadaGugs is not a doctor. I'm not offer no medical advice. This is just some research what I do over the years. I'm just share it with the people. So if you like the video so far, don't be afraid to give FadaGugs a thumbs up. Remember to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And always remember to share it with your friends, share it with your family. Just share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.